Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin, mother and child. Solo Jackson. Holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace. Sleep in heavenly peace. On December 24th, 1818, the leaders of a church in Oberndorf, Austria, Joseph Mohr and Franz Gruber, wrote a song called Silent Night because their organ was broken and they desperately wanted music for the Christmas Eve service. They wrote it for a guitar accompaniment. It has become the most beloved of all Christmas carols. Stille Nacht. In English it means silent night. We light a candle and sing Silent Night in memory of that silent night so long ago when Jesus was born as a baby to save us all from our sins. I must now go save my baby from doing something crazy.